How to fix some content updates could not be downloaded from our server's Warframe error. 1. For PlayStation 5 or 4 users, try clearing your console cache in its safe mode. And consider uninstalling and reinstalling the whole installation of the Warframe game. 2. For Xbox players, launch the Clear Reserved Space option instead. Refer to the IMG below. 3. For PC viewers, 3.1 quit then restart the game. 3.2 relaunch the game, Steam, as administrator. Like this. Note, you may create a new, temp, admin account, 3.3 flush or delete. Warframe's cache at C:\program files, x86, /steam /steam apps /common /warframe /cache. 4. Other tips, 4.1. Change your language setting, use some non-English language. 4.2. Reset LAN or Wi-Fi settings, check your internet connection.